జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ. శ్రీమద్భగవద్గీత థర్డ్ చాప్టర్ కర్మయోగం 11th శ్లోక. గీతాచార్య శ్రీకృష్ణ పరమాత్మ టీచింగ్ కర్మయోగం టు ఈచ్ అండ్ ఎవ్రీ వన్ ఆఫ్ us along with Arjuna. Krishna Paramatma saying that, "Ho Arjuna, keep doing yajnas. With the performance of yajnas, all the devatas will be pleased and satisfied. When they satisfy with the yajnas that you perform, they will fulfill all your needs. They will cater all your needs. Like this, you have to be doing yajnas to satisfy them. They will be blessing you, fulfilling all your needs." Like this, with mutual cooperation, you will definitely attain the highest good. Like this, Krishna Paramatma encouraging all of us to perform yajnas. With Krishna Paramatma's teaching running in our thoughts, let us repeat Krishna Paramatma's words as it is. Devan bhavayatanena te deva bhavayantu vaha परस्परं भावयन्तः श्रेयः परम् अवाप्स्यथा. Om. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, from 18th chapter, from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do the following. Krishna Paramatma says, "Always think about me. Keep on inculcating love and devotion towards me. Keep on performing all your duties thinking that it is seva to me. Keep on remembering the fact that you are my belonging. Surrender to me alone unconditionally. Mamekam saranam vraja. Do not cry. Ma suchaha. Keep on remembering my teachings every day, at least by reading once Gita Sloka. Keep on spreading my teachings among all the devotees. If you keep doing like this, you will become my most beloved devotee, and I shall liberate you from all kind of sins." Now let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. "Ho Srimannarayana, I shall keep on meditating upon you. Ho Srimannarayana, I shall keep on inculcating love and devotion towards you. Ho Srimannarayana, I shall keep on performing all my duties to impress you. Ho Srimannarayana, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging. Ho Srimannarayana, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. Ho Srimannarayana, I shall not cry anymore. Ho Srimannarayana, I shall keep on remembering your teachings by reading at least one Gita Sloka every day. Ho Srimannarayana, I shall keep on spreading your teachings among all the devotees. Ho Srimannarayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. करिष्ये वचनं तव. श्रीमद्भागवतं. नमस्कारं टु श्रीमद्भागवतं. निगमकल्पतरोर्गलितं फलं सुखमुखादमृतद्रवसंयुतं पिबत भागवतं रसमालयं मुहुरहो रसिका भुवि भावुकाः. नमस्कारं टु श्रीसुकमहर्षि. यं प्रव्रजन्तमनुपेतमपेतकृत्यं द्वैपायनो विरहकातर आजुहाव. पुत्रेति तन्मयतया तरवो विनेदुः तं सर्वभूतहृदयं मुनिमानतोऽस्मि. नमस्कारं टु श्रीमन्नारायण, चतुर्मुख ब्रह्मा, सरस्वती देवी, व्यासमहर्षि. नारायणं नमस्कृत्य नरं चैव नरोत्तमं देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं ततो जयम् उदीरयेत्. In Srimad-Bhagavatam Pradhamaskandham, Suta Maharshi is revealing to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Parikshit Narendra now looking at Sri Suka Maharshi and saying that, O Maharshi, you are a very powerful Maharshi. Ordinary people cannot even understand your glory and estimate your power. O Maharshi, look at me. I am in this samsaram. I have done such a big mistake. I have committed such a big sin, and now I am ready to die. But now you gave me your darshanam. O Maharshi, all this is because of Sri Krishna Paramatma's Sampurna Anugraham. Only with Krishna Paramatma's Anugraham this is possible. O Yogishvara, Yoginam Paramam Gurum, you are the greatest yogi to all the greatest yogis. You are the guru to all the greatest guru. O Maharshi, that is why I am just asking one question to you. O Yogishvara, Purushasya iha et karyam mriyamanasya sarvadha. The human, the man who is ready to die, what he needs to do so that he can attain mukti, what he needs to do so that he can attain moksham. Et srotavyaha, what he has to listen. Et japyam, what he has to chant. Et smartavyam, what he has to be meditating upon and remembering upon. Et bhajaniyam, whom he has to worship. Prabho, bruhi me. Please bless me and tell me all those details. O Yogishvara, yadva viparyayam, what I should not be doing. The one who is ready to die, what he should not be doing, what he should not be listening, what he should not be remembering, what he should not be meditating. Please tell me those details also. O Yogishvara, I know that you, like such a great Maharshis, would not come to people like us. You, like such a great Maharshis, would not come to household people's homes. But even if you come, na lakshyate hi avasthanamapi godohanam kvachit. You would not stay more than a time of duration which will take to milk the milk of a cow. O Yogishvara, that is why I cannot ask you to stay more than that. But I would definitely request you to bless me with the means to attain mukti. Like that, Parikshit Narendra requested Sri Suka Yogi. Then Sri Suka Maharshi, responding to Parikshit Narendra, Pratyabhashata Dharmagno Bhagavan Badarayanihi. Then Sri Suka Maharshi, with his nectar-like words speaking out to Parikshit Narendra. What he says we will learn tomorrow. With this, Pradhama Skandham is concluded. Tomorrow onwards we will do Dvitiya Skandham, second canto. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Karacharana Saroje Kantimannetramine Sremamushi Bhujavichi Vyakule Gadhamarge Harisarasi Vigakhyapīya Tejojalaugam Bhavamaruparikhinaha Khedamadya tyajami. Krishna rakshatu no jagatraya guruhu Krishnam namasyamyaham. Krishne namarashatravo vinihataha Krishnaya tasmai namaha. Krishnadeva samuthitam jagadidam Krishnasya dasosmyaham. Krishne tishtati visvametadakhilam. He Krishna samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 3rd chapter, 11th sloka. Devan bhavayatanena te deva bhavayantu vaha parasparam bhavayantaha shreyah param avapsyadha. Devan bhavayatanena te deva bhavayantu vaha parasparam bhavayantah shreyah param avapsyadha. Srimannarayana karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.